Hi there, my stallions. So we are going out. We randomly decided to just go out. It's me and my dad and my sister. My sister actually wasn't supposed to be part of it, but I personally just allowed her to come along. I'm totally kidding. Anyway, yeah, it's Saturday. We're going out. We don't really know where we're going or what we're gonna do, but we just decided, hey, we're tired of this house. It's a weekend and we should just go out. Oh yeah, you guys haven't met my dad. You will meet him very soon. Right? Right. I'm deciding for him. Anyway, I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. I hope you're having a good day, by the way.
We're going out.
She finally decided to go into the vlog.
Where I'm going. I am so broke. So like literally, it's either this girl pays for me or my dad pays for me. The second option is never gonna happen. So I will beg and plead. I will let you know if she's as nice as she claims to be. See you on the flip side.
Oh my gosh, I can't. Hello again. So we went to Game City and we found that there was no electricity. Yeah, let that sink in. So we just went around the mall a little bit, and then we actually got some cute little things. Okay, I would show you guys, but I'll show you guys later. There's this like cute little massage kind of thing. It's so cool and it's so nice and fun, and it's just so awesome. But yeah, so now we're just like driving off. We're going to, where are we going again?
I'm going to my office and then we're going to Riverwalk.
Okay, we're gonna see where my sister works. I'm not really. Wow, okay. Yeah, we're gonna see where my sister works. I'm sorry, I can't really show you guys because I don't think we're at that, level yet where, we know each other that better, where, we can show each other stuff like that. But, maybe eventually we'll get to know. Hey! Wow. Remember in my first vlog when I said she didn't want to be in the vlogs? Well,
What it do? So, like just moving about, right? And I'm not gonna show you where I work because you guys are gonna love me so much and you're gonna like stalk me and stuff. So, I'm not gonna show you because I'm too hot like that. Anyway, like remember when I told you guys I'll tell you how it's going so far? So far, apparently, I have just put myself in people's cars and I have no right to speak.
well, you weren't in the plan anyway.
Imagina hella. No right to speak. They must never. Hey,
You weren't even in the plan anyway.
Look, I have to go show my family the office. So this is where we say goodbye. Switch it off.
Oh, wait.
Goodbye.
You guys have to meet my dad. In 3,
2,
2, 1.
This is GC, my I've just been asked to drive these people around crazy. I asked myself, where am I taking them to? They said Riverwalk. On my way, they changed their way. They said Game City.
We didn't change
I'm at Game City. I'm in an office, and this place looks so deserted. I didn't know that my daughter works in here. Oh my goodness.
Enough talking.
Okay.
About this. We'll check you out when we get to Riverwalk.
Okay, guys.
She has signed out for me, okay?
Oh.
So, we decided to go to... Okay. We decided to go to pass through Old Naledi, right? Old Naledi. Better known as Zola. And it's kind of like, the... This is that, it's a... What's the word? Yes, that's the word. It's kind of like a township type of situation. It's... I've personally never been here. It's so cool to be around. Like, there's people everywhere. There's just like this amazing sense of community and just like, it's so different. I'm trying not to sound bougie and stuff, but like, it's just so amazing. It's an experience, truly.
Try to see. itshware sentle. Dumelang ausi. Lo kae? Ke a go batla.
My dad stopped. Thanks. So, what's your take on?
Zola is like it's
Come this side. Actually, I can't.
You can't see me?
Yeah. Because you've been.
Zola is a township. It's usually where people would say don't go there because it's dangerous. Don't go there because what? But it's not true. It's just a bunch of people living their ordinary lives. These are people who are of the
Considered
like low class.
Yeah.
Like the lower class of our. So like it's basically somebody's coming.
We'll be back.
We'll be back. We'll be back.
Yeah.
Where was I? What was I saying?
Just
Yes,
keep
it's the low.
going, yeah.
This is the low class, but you find that people here are happier. You actually find a lot more smiles than you would find in like the posh areas because they're just content with life. They're having fun. If I need an onion, I just go across the road.
You know?
I need an onion.
That's why I'm like,
get an onion,
there's a huge
you know?
sense of like community.
Yeah, like we
because
say
you're
in
not
Africa,
on your own.
it's Ubuntu.
Yeah.
We're together. You know what I mean? Y'all should actually come down here. It would be fun.
Yeah.
I assure you, you'll be scared, but it'll be worth it.
But I was asking, thank you. So, what's your take on like Zola and
The people
Old
around
Naledi?
All Nale, these are
and places like
these are people who really represent the typical Motswana who doesn't have a high life or a low life, just a typical Motswana life in a village. The other thing that is very important is that this is a very developed place by now. You have tarmacs around. It used not to have tarmacs. We have actually demarcated the place. It looks a little organized, better than what it used to be in the past. For us, it's a very big development. I mean, if you've got street lights, you can see that. You've got very nice roads. The houses are also being modified to meet the standards of today. And this is what we are proud of. If you come from this place, these are the people who really matter to us.
Yeah.
People who have life. People who can actually, when they see you, they greet you. In town, every man for himself. God for us all. Ciao.
Yeah.
I have to drive.
So-
I'm not supposed to be talking while I'm driving.
That was
Ding.
her first experience in, like she would say, Old Naledi. It's Zola.
But the reason why I don't like calling it Zola is because I don't know. I feel like, plus they won't really know. Okay, I'm sorry for the lighting, by the way. Just
Bear with us.
bear with us.
We love you.
The reason why I don't want to really call it Zola is because I don't know. I feel like
Zola sounds gangster.
Zola sounds like, it sounds
So
like
that's why,
Zola.
Zola,
And
gangster.
it's like,
Hey, this is our life.
and it's like Old Naledi, It's, but I know the people living here are just like, Zola. This is just, this is home. This is, yeah.
It's a good place to be. It's a good place to actually come and be grounded
Yeah.
and remember the little things in life.
Yeah.
The fact that you have no yogurt in the fridge doesn't mean it's the end of your life.
Yeah.
You will survive. Uzoba strong.
Zola strong. Aye.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to get something to eat.
Yeah, now we need to get food.
Because this man will
Like,
keep
get
us
out
here
of this place.
all day.
How do I get
But
out
we're
of this place?
hungry.
I'm trying to get out of
Go
this place.
straight. We're going straight. All right.
Okay.
This is us signing out.
See you later.
Auf Wiedersehen.
I realized that I forgot to end the video yesterday, so I decided, hey, might as well just combine a little bit of today and yesterday with, combine yesterday's vlog with a little bit of today. Yeah, oh dear, the lighting is so bad. Anyway, so also another thing, yes, I also realized that I never showed you guys the little massager thing that I said I was going to show you guys. if I could find it. So let me show you guys that it comes in this like box thingy. Help me. Nah, I'm good. I'll just place them here for a little bit. Okay. So here's a little it's not a contraption. A little cute little thingy-mabob. It's just basically it's just called a mini electric massager, and you can use it on like, apparently you can like use it like for like head massages, neck massages. It's a cute little thing. Yeah, so this is a cute little massage thing that I said I wanted to show you guys. The thing that we bought at Game City yesterday. Yeah, it's super cute. The guy that was selling it was like, gosh, people who sell. He was like, he bought one for his mother-in-law and he hasn't seen her since. And I'm like, really? Okay. Anyways, oh my gosh. So yeah. Okay. It's so hard to put it back into the box without it. There we go. Yay, success. But yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a good day. I'm not really having a very good day because the electricity went off. We're having a bit of a load shedding situation, so I'm super just like bored. I was trying to actually upload a video, which, yeah, I was trying to upload a video because the internet here is really bad, so it takes a while for videos to like upload. It takes like my last vlog took like 2.5 days to upload, which is so whack. So I was trying to upload it. I tried to upload it yesterday when I left. Okay, the lighting here is so bad. Excuse me. Thank you. That's better. I tried to like upload it yesterday before I left, but then I came back and my battery had died. So then I started uploading it again today, and the power went off. So, and like obviously, like when the power goes off, the internet is off as well. So I'm super annoyed. But it's okay. It's okay. The video will be up. Anyway, what I wanted to say was that I'm uploading my video now, and then I'm gonna just schedule it to upload whenever I want it to upload, so that you guys can have a video next week, or rather this week, depending on when you're watching this. So yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to just chat a little bit with you guys, seeing as I didn't end the video yesterday. So yeah, there's something else that I wanted to share with you guys, but I don't remember. If it's important, I'll remember and I'll get back to you guys. But anywho, oh, and I'm also super excited because my phone had like the case for my phone was like so messed up, and yesterday I bought a new cover. Actually, where is my phone? Yesterday I bought a new cover for my phone and I'm loving it. If I could, I really want to show you guys. Man, I'm a mess, guys. I am a mess. I am a mess. Okay, no, seriously though, where's my phone? Yeah, anyway, how are you guys doing? Are you having a good day? Evening, afternoon, whatever might apply to you. Yeah, also, oh yeah, guys, I was also thinking of creating a different channel for my vlogs, so that my main channel, which is the channel that you get my advice and tips kind of videos on, doesn't have like, you know, just like I can keep it just like uniform. So let me know if you guys would prefer that, rather than me uploading vlogs on the same channel, just to kind of like, you know, whoever wants to watch vlogs can have the vlog channel, whoever doesn't want to watch the vlogs can have the main channel. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. And yes, I also, oh yeah, just randomly, I just wanted to give a shout out to some of my amazing fellow Botswana YouTubers, this other guy and Pretty Daily, aka Barati. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos and for encouraging me, you know, and keeping the Botswana flag flying. Like, let's get Botswana on the map, you know, let's do this thing. Like, I'm super excited. I'm always excited when I see like new vloggers and just like YouTubers in general from Africa in general. But the fact that there are actually YouTubers, you know, from Botswana, I'm like, wow, this is amazing, because YouTube isn't that popular in terms of like, you know, doing it as a profession type of situation, or like actually being consistent with it. Most people just like, you know, use YouTube for just to watch like clips and stuff like that. So it's really amazing to see that there are other Botswana YouTubers who, you know, are doing it, just, you know, doing it big type of situation. Yeah, if you guys like, I would definitely suggest that you guys like check them out. They're really interesting people, and just based on just and also just, you know, African YouTubers in general. A huge shout out to Motherland B. Check out her channel as well. She's a South African YouTuber. She's an amazing human being. I found her channel actually recently and found that, you know, her and I, we have like this amazing, like, we have so many things in common, and like, she's just an amazing person to just watch as well. So you guys head on to those 3 channels as well. Hopefully, if I don't forget, I will link their channels below, because I am all for showing support to people, and just, you know, like, you know, I just love helping people, and just, you know, I don't have that many subscribers. They have a lot more subscribers than I do, but, you know, I'm appreciating them. This is just a hashtag YouTuber appreciation type of situation. So yeah, head on to their channels as well and check them out, and let them know that I sent you. Yeah, I'm gonna kind of end this clip here, because I realized that I've been talking so long. This is only because, like, I don't talk this much, just in general. Okay, I'm lying. Let me not lie. I do talk a lot, randomly. I'm one of the most random people ever that you could ever meet. Yeah, I'm the kind of person that can just like break out into song, or like just like randomly about it. Like, just before this, I was randomly singing about how bored I am, and I'm just like, I can't remember the song, but like, I was just singing about how bored I am. It's sad. It's truly sad. Yeah. I need a life. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna end this clip here, because I've run out of stuff to say now. And I have been talking for, I'm pretty sure I've been talking for like, it could be over 5 minutes of just talking randomly, when the initial the initial intent of this clip was to just show you guys a massager thing and apologize for not ending my vlog. But guys, anyway, once the power is back, I'm gonna go back to uploading my video, and I'll probably start editing this as well, you know. Yeah, I'll probably start editing this vlog, so that I can have it scheduled to upload whenever it is supposed to upload. And also depending on I'll just upload it on my second channel, because I've already created lighting terrible, because I've already created the vlog channel, but it's not yet active in that nobody really knows about it yet, because I just created it yesterday. So follow me on my Facebook page, like my Facebook page, and I'll upload the link to the vlog onto that channel, onto that page, and then you will find the vlog there, and you'll find excuse me, the vlog channel. But anyway, yeah, it was great talking to you guys. What am I doing with my hand? Put the hand down, Mumsy. Put the hand down. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna just end this vlog here. I've chatted with you guys enough. Well, actually I can't chat enough with you guys, honestly. You guys give me life. Yes, you give me life. Yeah, I'm gonna just end this vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you had an amazing weekend, and I hope you have an amazing week as well. Be blessed, and I love you guys. Don't forget to click the like button, comment, and subscribe, and share my channel with your friends and family so they can all become a part of this amazing Stallion Nation. Bye, guys.